Tomorrow marks 1 year since an EF3 tornado ripped through Montgomery County, devastating portions of Clarksville. This storm had wind speeds of up to 150 miles per hour and claimed the lives of 4 people and injuring 62. 1,000 homes were impacted in this storm, with 114 destroyed. The roof of West Creek Elementary was torn off and was not able to reopen for more than a month. December tornadoes have in the past been rare in Tennessee, but recent data shows there's those storms happening later and later in the year. Of the 40 tornadoes that touched down in Tennessee last year, 18 happened in December alone.
Severe season might be later in the year now, maybe favoring more December than November in recent years. So because it's been a slow start to severe weather season, don't let your guard down. We're still vulnerable to severe weather and even tornadoes well into the winter months.
And remember, if a tornado touches down near you, get inside, find the lowest, most center room in your home, and stay away from windows. As for Clarksville, Mayor Joe Pitts is making sure the community knows they are not forgotten. In a statement, he says, quote, "Until they get the help they need and want, we won't stop, even if it takes 10 years.